everyone, today I would like to show you how to use the automatic helmet wash machine. If you don't know, the inside of a helmet can contain a lot of bacteria over time if it's not cleaned regularly, which can affect your scalp. So today I'm going to show you how to use this machine to clean a helmet properly. Firstly, I will use this chest steam gun to spray hot steam inside the helmet. This will help loosen up top stand and soften the inside of the helmet. Once it's done, the inside of the helmet is now softer. Next, we will spray some helmet cleaning liquid inside and let it sit for about 15 to 20 seconds so it can soak in properly. After the liquid has been absorbed, we will move to the washing station and rinse the helmet one more time. This step helps remove any stubborn dirt stuck inside. After finishing washing the helmet, we will steam the inside of the helmet once again with hot steam. But as you can see, after steaming, there's still a lot of water inside. So now, we will use a water extraction machine to suck out all of the excess water. Once the helmet is dry enough, we will lock the helmet and put it straight into the helmet washing machine. Now, we just press the wash button, which is the green one, and the machine will start cleaning. One thing to note is that after washing, the machine will automatically switch to drying mode. If the helmet isn't fully dry after the first cycle, you can press the dry button, which is the orange one, to run another drying session. And once the process is complete, the helmet is now clean, dry, and ready to wear. To add a nice fragrance and improve customer experience, you can also spray a bit of perfume inside the helmet to make it smell even better. And that is the entire helmet washing process. If you have any question, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So see you in our next videos.